Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 18. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money and life fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is Diabetes Planner Logbook. It's 249 results on Amazon, and scrolling down, we can take a look at the top ranking books in this niche. So number one, we can see that this one is actually not KDP. Let's take a look at these other ones. These ones are KDP. These ones right here already have reviews, and you can see the number of times they have sold from down here. Um, and you can see the BSR. So this niche is definitely selling. There's lots of reviews and lots of sales, as you can tell from the BSR. So let's move over to Creative Fabrica and see what interior they have for us. Here's our interior found on Creative Fabrica. It's 99 cents, and it is 120 pages, 6 by 9 inches, and it has this numbering from Monday to Sunday. So let's take a look at what is included. It's Oh, it doesn't say what is included. Some people tell you what is actually included in the interior. Some even come with covers, but this one does not come with a cover. Neither does it have like the description of what is included and all the like. So that's it for this interior. I guess we can read what it says. It says um, there's divided into breakfast, lunch, and dinner from Mondays to Sundays. Then there's before, after, and notes. I'm guessing that's what it's made up of. Yeah. So jump to Publisher Rocket and see the keywords that you can use for this niche. So we're in Diabetes Planner Logbook. Actually, it's just these two keywords. I'm guessing the top ranking keywords that people are using to find this niche. Diabetes Planner Logbook and Diabetes Planner itself. So that's it for this niche. We're moving on to the second niche of today. Second niche of today is the Meal Planner Notebook. This one is 773 results on Amazon. And scrolling down, we can see the top books in this niche. So here's Amazon's choice, price $7.99. The other one's price $6.99, and all of them here are being sponsored. So if you want to get into this niche, you might want to consider sponsoring your books too, because all the top spots are already collected by this book. So if you want to get on the first page and on the top spot, you would want to consider sponsoring your book too. So here are the books. Wow. So this one right here, over 1,000 reviews. This one 2,000 reviews. You can't, and that's because it's Amazon's choice. And this other one right here, this is not KDP, so we're not going to look at it. This one is KDP and also being sponsored $6.99. It has had a few sales but no reviews yet, so this niche is selling. As you can see, it's doing quite well. These are other books having reviews. We're going to take off this one and this one. Then KDP, we're looking at this one right here. The one has a review. This one has 71 reviews. So guys, this niche is actually selling. We're going to jump to Creative Fabrica and see what interior they have for us. KDP Interior Weekly Meal Planner. So let's see what it has for us. It is, yeah, like the other one too, no description on what is contained. It doesn't say, but it's actually available in 120 pages and 6 by 9 inches, available as PDF and Adobe Illustrator. So it's just a plain cover. I'm guessing the cover is not included because it doesn't say here, but you might be surprised sometimes the cover is included. So right here, we can see what we can just have a glance of what is included. It says weekly meal planner. I'm guessing this is from Monday to Sunday, like the previous one. And right here, it has check out. If I'm not seeing that correctly, to dos and notes. So I don't know what checkout means, or it doesn't mean like you're checking out your food, or like a fast food or something. I'm not really sure what that means. Anyway, we're gonna forge ahead, going back to Publisher Rocket, seeing what keywords we can use. Meal planner notebook. There are several keywords. So I'm just gonna quickly scroll for you. And if you want to price your book at $5, because I saw a keyword there under $5. So if you're planning to price your book like maybe 4.99 or something, I think it'll be advisable to use that keyword that says, yeah, here it is again, meal planner under $5. Some people are looking for planners that are under $5. So if you use keywords like that, it's really going to put your book on the spot. Wow. This, all right, there you go. So that's it for the keywords. We're gonna move to the third niche of today, knitting logbook, 151 results. And I'm gonna quickly show you the books that are ranking top in this niche. Crochet journal, knitting journal. I never dreamed I'd grow up to become sexy knitting lady, but here I'm killing it. This is quite funny and it's doing quite well. 27 reviews, price 7.99. And this other one. So guys, this niche is this niche is doing quite well, as you can tell from the DSRs and the reviews and all the like. So let's take a look at other books. So this one, wow, this one is actually a very horrible review. I don't know what the person did wrong. um it's just I don't want to make this video long. I would have gone into this book to find out where the person went wrong, because most of the time with KDP you don't go wrong. Except there's this one case where I had my book ripped out. I'm not sure what happened with Amazon. So this customer left me a very bad review. So I was like concerned. I've read the review and the pages, this customer had like proof showing that the pages were ripped off. So I was really a bit confused. I was like, what's going on here? I know bad reviews can really, really ruin your book. Also, once sees a bad review like that, the person just immediately sh- buys another book. So it's really important that if you get a review like that, you reach out to Amazon and try to get that review out, because as long as it's there, there is no way that you're going to keep on having sales, except that some very stubborn people who still want to go ahead and buy the book. Because when you have proof, video proof, or maybe a snapshot of the whole scenario, that's a different ball game. So guys, um, it's just I don't want to make the video long. I would have gone ahead to find out what happened here. But anyway, so we're going to go to Creative Replica and see the interior they have for us. This is KDP Interior Knitting Journal Logbook. And wow, 17 people have added it to favorites. Many people want this. 120 pages, 6 by 9 inches, black and white, and all the like. I don't know why most of them are not including what comes with it. I really don't know why. Knitting journal, but from what I can see here, it looks like a project name, who I'm making it for, occasion, start date, end date, sketch, notes. I'm guessing that's what it is. Then design your own pattern. Wow, this is really nice. So that's what Creative Fabrica has for us in terms of interior. We're going to go to Publisher again and see what keywords we can use. Knitting logbook. Wow, this is surprising. Just knitting logbook. Okay. So guys, it's just one keyword, knitting notebook. I'm gonna move to the next niche. Our fourth niche of today is Halloween handwriting book. 404 results. Let's scroll down to see the top books in this niche. Handwriting practice workbooks and all the like. Yeah. So these ones have sales, 7 reviews, 61 reviews, 2 reviews, one review. And let's move on to the next set of books. This one's 5 reviews, 4 reviews. See, someone is pricing this as low as 3.99, guys. Wow. Some people, this is how they go to just grab all the sales. But I will advise you to go as low as this only when you are starting out. Once you've gotten a few reviews, I advise you to increase it because you're only cheating yourself. If you go ahead and leave your price as low as this, you're only cheating yourself. So you have other people who hire royalties, but they're still making sales. So yes, when you're starting out and you want some quick sales on your book and maybe a reviews, you can go ahead and do this. But the person already has reviews, so I really wonder why they still have their book on 3.99. Anyway, that's up to them. I think, they know what they're doing. My job is just to analyze, and I'm gonna go back to Creative Fabrica, see what interior they have for us. It's a Halloween sketchbook. I think this really looks pretty. So it's available in PDF and PowerPoint. If you want to edit it, that's up to you. And since people added this to favorite, and the person says this is only for the interior because, as you can see, they have a cover here. This sketchbook belongs to, so they're telling you this is just for the interior. All right, that's it for the interior. I'm gonna go to, and yes, guys, just before I forget, there's a link in the description if you wanna check out Creative Fabrica. They usually do sales, as you can see right here, 80% off. So yeah, upon they do regular sales. Each time I'm taking a look at Creative Fabrica, I usually see some sales going on also. So 80% off going on right now, and in a couple of weeks you'll see Mother's Day sale going on, because whenever a holiday is coming up, they always, like always, have a discount or something. So that's one thing I like about Creative Fabrica. You should check it out. There's a link in the description if you want to learn more. So going to Publisher Rocket, we can take a look at the Halloween writing. Was this sketchbook? Yes, sketchbook. So Halloween sketchbook, and here are the keywords you can use. So you have things like sketchbook, um, sketchbook decoration, Halloween sketchbook, and things like that. So that's it for the keywords. This one, our is supposed to be handwriting book. This is the handwriting book, and here is the keyword. So the keyword is just handwriting or Halloween handwriting book, and it's just one keyword. Wow. So you see what I was saying before? I really don't know what happened here, because the sketchbook is just empty. So I really don't understand why someone would buy a book and have to give a negative review. Anyway, I can tell because the sketchbook is empty. It's not like some drawings or some words are inside that it's not clear or something. Anyway, after this video, I'm gonna check out what was wrong with the book, because I've been in this scenario sometime in the past where I received a very negative review. I was like very confused, so I had to contact Amazon. I don't want to go ranting about it, but I eventually had the customer take out the review, because that was the only way. The customer took out the review, um, and Amazon sent them uh, the right book, because I don't know what happened. Maybe it might be a disgruntled employee. Who knows? The pages were actually ripped out and sent to the customer. So I was not happy about that. So I reached out to Amazon and they solved it. So guys, don't be scared to reach out to Amazon if you have any trouble, if you have any issues. They will definitely help you out. So let's go to Creative Fabrica and see what interior they have for us. KDP Halloween Handwriting Practice Book, 20 cents. Wow, this is really beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Let's see if it comes with a cover. Yeah, sorry guys, it's just the interior, like the rightly said. So 15 people added this to favorite. But this doesn't stop you from creating something similar to this, guys. This looks really beautiful. You just have to go search for a tree SVG. All of these things like this, you can find them on Vexels. I've spoken a lot about Vexels in the past. Anything design, I go to Vexels. They have free um, vectors like this that anyone can use. And Anyone can download, anyone can use it. There's link in the description too if you want to check out Vexels. And Vexels also provides book covers, so they've been really helpful to me in the past. They've been really helpful, and sometimes I edit the covers. I've done several videos in the past showing you how exactly how to do that. And here, guys, that's it. If you want to edit covers, if you want to make book covers, if you want to download anything related to design, I will always recommend Vexels every day, every single day, because I've used them and I like them, and that's why I recommend them. I'll never recommend something to you if I've never used it. That's just one thing you need to know about me. So back to what we're talking about is 8.5 by 11 inches, 110, 100 pages, 110, 120 pages. I don't understand what they mean about that, because usually they will have like 100 pages or maybe 120 pages, but it says 100, 120, and 110 pages, so I'm a little bit confused. Um, Maybe you choose the format you want or the number of pages you want. I'm not sure about that. So 3 PDF files and 1 PowerPoint files. I'm guessing the 3 PDF files are for these pages, these individual pages. I'm guessing that's what it's for. Then 1 PowerPoint if you want to edit. I'm guessing that's what it's for. So guys, let's go to Publisher record and see what keywords we can use. Halloween sketchbook. So that's it for the keywords. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.